he's sort of been mumbling on about years.
Why do these have little hooks? I've never seen that before.
Okay. And then we're going to go. Oops. That's not very good.
I wasn't John going to unbox it?
No, we're in charge of it.
Don't cut it.
I'm not cutting it, I'm putting it into the. Let me try not to.
We got disco lights again. I don't know if Chris would appreciate disco lights.
He'd probably be furious. Here we go.
Okay.
Talk us through it, please.
Well, I'm just opening it. I'm just seeing an instruction manual, yeah, which we have, which tells you how to switch it on and off. A warranty.
Check.
Warranty. Just going to take it out now.
Ready? Go wide.
Woo! There it is.
Look at that!
Okay. So that's the bottom of the box.
Whoa!
Oops.
Whoa! Look at that!
Whoa!
Whoa!
Okay. And then we're,
Bag is not a toy.
this bag is not a toy. It's a bag.
Yeah.
Bang!
So somebody's messed up the phasing.
And just cut.
Oh dear.
Oh, dear.
This is 2 minutes. 2 minutes of tedium.
Careful, Luke.
Oh,
Yeah. Luke's being he's being slapdash.
Slapdash.
This is the real moment of truth. Oh my
Oh,
word.
look at this. Look at the
Look at
fascia.
that. Look at that fascia.
fascia.
Look at that baby. Look
Wow,
at that.
that's an
and then reaction shot.
Whoa.
Reaction shot. Oh my god, they're stunned. They're stunned. That's all.